Hala! 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 Oh my gosh!
Nagbe-break. Patay. Yung isa nagbe-break.
Hi! Ayos sila na itong palapa.
Tapos yung isa.
We're just in the Butterfly bus because we're going to...
Nagbe-break yung isa.
Did you guess is correct? It is Palawan.
Yan.
The little Palawan.
Patay.
Only for
Dalawa.
kids. So, did you guess is correct or no?
Patili.
We're still in the parking lot. Parking lot.
Ha?
Yeah, I think it's pronounced parking lot. Yeah. Can you even hear me? I don't know. Can you hear me?
Tapos ka na? Start pa lang.
Yay, I have windows. And this is my charger. Butterfly. Okay, this is my charger. A very cutie patootie charger that I sleep with. Yes, I live with charger.
Iba-iba yung kaya nanguhuli yung mga sisinungaling sila sa
Philippines, of course. Who will not hate the Philippines? Like literally, y'all. You hate the Philippines, I'm not gonna I told you unsubscribe. You love the Philippines.
Papayad ka ng
Yeah, I'm getting tired
kanya
of
po pa nila. Aman, mag-aaral na.
I'm riding an airplane again. Oh my gosh.
Ano lang, apprentice pa lang yun.
Yung plate na yun, para kami kitata.
Kaya, hindi siya, pero pwede 6 months. Pag hindi siya nabisyo. Yun,
Mali mo naman. Ayun yun. Mali mo naman siya.
Gusto ganong ugali mo. Lahat gusto mo ay
I'm
masuha.
wearing, by the way, just a few outfits. I'm wearing cargo jeans without belt. Okay, with a belt. And with a white t-shirt that has like these looking gold ruffles. These socks and look at these shoes. Which charger? This is the one that my best friend gave me. I have a little like what do you call it? Little tie that's on my hair. It's like this one. It's like fur. So yeah. Then this friendship with my classmates and my rosary. And of course. And I also have. Over here. Okay.
Rolando
If
Rason.
you see this,
Rolando
if you
Rason.
saw the
Rolando
snake
Rason.
doing that is literally true. And
3,000. Ha?
I'm no mind, but my Lola,
Rolando
my
Rason.
wonderful Lola. Okay. pala ng tao. Okay. I want to ride. Daddy, when can I ride? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna ride our luggage later. Later.
ID mo. Ticket ba o board?
Hello. Yes. Oh my god. Yay! Yes, I'm gonna ride. Yay, yay. The best thing. I love riding. Yay! Wee. No, I'm making.
This is my baby. She's riding
Oh, I love it.
her luggage while riding. I think she can. Hey, sweetheart.
Hi.
And this is her mommy. Hi, Mom.
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 Say hi.
Hi! Hi!
And this is her Lola.
Say hi.
Say hi daw.
Hi!
Hi. Wait. Say hi. Yeah. And we are now going to our check-in counter.
Yes.
Yes. Pangulasyan.
Can I have my phone?
Oh, here's your phone.
Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Hi, sorry. Sorry.
Or are you using like the gums? Yeah. I don't think I'm like really addicted.
Si Charizard gusto din si Charizard mag-troll. Pero,
Hindi,
First start doing the same thing with the nicotine. It helps so much.
hi!
But then over
Yes,
time,
Charizard.
your threshold for like what you need to be back to normal just keeps lowering. And then you just have to take more and more of it just to get back to basic.
So,
Yeah, so he's so bad that he takes Adderall and
my repetitions. I was
Yeah, I
in
mean,
school.
if you
But
want to
yesterday was the last day of exams, so I have no more school. No summer vacation, so I'm going to Palawan. Can you hear me? Hello?
son takes 100 milligram Adderall. That's a huge. Yeah. He gave me 5 milligrams or 5. 10.
Wait. What is
It's better than any coffee I can drink. It's really
May nung pong ito. Ice.
Ayoko. Yesterday.
Drink para maano yun.
Time to drink some water. Wait. Hold mo.
But Mia, we're gonna check
So
this
much.
in.
So much.
Yeah, we will check this in.
Okay.
But no, this nicotine
This is how many stickers I have. I actually have more.
I just
Sabi ni Lola mo, bumili ka na ng bagong ano.
No.
Hanap lang tayo
So this one is for grade 3, then you will buy for grade 3 naman pala. This one is for grade 2. Ano? What color naman next?
What color?
So you can start collecting.
Hindi pa sasama ka sa mag-open ako.
So you can start collecting stickers again for grade 3. Ah? What color naman? Dapat na parehas kayo ng mami.
Okay. Ew. No. Ayaw ka ng pink.
There's actually a part of your brain that gives you
La 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 la.
and they actually would
Okay, don't mind, but yeah.
probably
For my mind said, I don't like Pokemon. Especially hot pink. I hate that one.
No.
I hate hot pink.
and
No hot pink available here. Oh my gosh, it's only been 12 minutes.
No.
remember this video?
Hala, 12 minutes lang.
There's a video of this.
Lagi 12 minutes.
It's
La 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 la.
the ministry sampled that and put it in.
No.
Yeah, that's actually what led me down the path to find out more about science research. And I'm like, where did this come from? You know, like, those are actual real short. And yeah, and then I found out about the LSD program. So I'm like, this is insane. There's a part of your brain that's where you get your figured out there's a spot, odd spot.
Every plate na to.
And it turns out people who are super religious have a ton of neural activity around that thing. And that's where they get the reward, where they feel like they're talking about Christ. They get all this happiness in their life. Because what they're stimulating that area. It has nothing to do with Christ or religion. So it's merely physiological basis for the entire thing. I wish I could get I did it in Costa Rica with my buddies. Microdosed it. But I had a friend of mine.
Okay, yeah, this one's wrong.
And he knew someone from Rainbow family. And we're the ones that follow the Grateful Dead around Europe. Dr. Seuss. Yeah, Dr. Seuss. I bought it. That thing out of my vineyard when I had the vineyard in Oregon. Just chill on the vineyard.
Oh my gosh. Ta-da!
Set.
This guy's upside down. My Lola Kelly.
That's a good.
Her, not, wait, her or him? Yeah, her. Treasure is her. Because I only have like a few.
Yung cellphone mo yun, ba't nandiyan nakalagay? Hanggang.
Daddy, I want to show them my bag.
Okay.
This is my bag. This is my mom's water bottle, by the way.
I'm the model.
Yes. Blackpink. Daddy, wait, I need to wait then. Wait. So there. Where is it? Oh my gosh, Daddy. So there are the Blackpink characters. It has a lot of compartments, and there's a tiny little flashlight keychain that actually works. Can't test it here since I'm in the.
Oh, get to see.
Oh yeah. Yes. It was my last day of school yesterday. So it was my last day of exams yesterday. It's also the last day of schools, and now it's summer vacation. Now it's my summer vacation. Yeah. Daddy, can I go down? Can I go down? Ta-da! Yay! I just got down from this suitcase. This is a family suitcase. Me, my mom, and my dad. But that is my bag. There's no clothes in that. This is for my Lola, so that's why it's small. I'm not that small. See? Hi. Think I remember this. I just turned my camera upside down. I mean, okay. I don't know, that was a good day. I'm still a tiny bit sick, like this much sick, and this much fever. So yeah, Air Swift. Well, I am right, Air Swift. Not Taylor Swift, okay? Not Taylor Swift. Oh wait, probably it is Taylor Swift. See? Air Swift. Taylor Swift. You know, Taylor Swift.
Regurgitated glue. People eat it.
Makes you have babies.
Mommy, say hi.
Biggest fire.
Hi. Say, Mommy. I love you.
Hi, sweetie.
Say hi. Hola, Gaya. Say hi.
Hi.
Give me Chai side. Chai side? Chai side, say hi. Hi. Okay. There.
Charizard.
Daddy's name? It has Daddy's name on. I like actually like my jeans. My favorite jeans. And my shoes. My shoes are good. It has Hello Kitty on. One of my favorite characters. My second favorite character. But my first is of course Pom Pom Frick.
Nakalaki yun. Ito lalagyan mo ng tag. Sige, lagyan mo ng tag. Yung reserve user. May reserve seat ba tayo?
Meron, may reserve seating. May reserve seating. Para 18 row 18.
Ito lang, kay Manny. Ay, pumulusyan.
It works. That you see? The small one, but it's actually really strong. Oh, yeah, it's strong. It's been 21 minutes. 12 to 21. Kanina, 12 minutes.
Oh, bakit?
Miss ko lang. Miss ko na.
Water. Water. Drink. Yum. Yum? What do you mean yum? And is this good? Oh wait, they have a mirror at the back, so it might be good. Okay. Why did I make that? Why did I do that? I love you. Asan? Ayoko.
And at the back you have the color tickets. And then you pretty part of it. Thank
Wait, there's a Krispy Kreme here? There's a
Hoy,
Krispy
kakain ka pa.
I don't know.
Sigaya.
Gaya.
Nasa unahan na.
Yeah. Teacher, sir! Wait lang yung camera.
iPad ko.
iPad, pakitanggal ko muna ang iPad, sir.
Okay. guys, I'm fully black.
Wala oh. Patay ko muna.
Guys, I'm gonna make a part 2 right now. So, see you in part 2.
Hi, Miguel.
Say hi, this is part 2. Because I need to put my phone in the basket. So yeah. There's Vanilla Rice says we're not going there though. Bro, there's Cinnabon in real life. I thought it was only a movie. Yeah, I thought it was only a movie. You know those? Okay. This I have to put my phone. I have to put my phone in the basket again. I'm gonna say this again. Yeah.
Sopas. Ah, sopas ka, ha? Toma. Sopas. You know me, why is it so...
Oh, sopas? I want sopas.
You know me, why is it good to eat that? Kasi it's sopas.
The beef, if you want the beef. Say both the beef and they all are good.
Oh, no.
We should.
110 mommy.
Hey, baby, I would never look at that. Like, my eyes did not even go near that.
Mama, sit down. Yes. Okay, okay, time to sleep. Good night. We have to like be here at like. We have to be here at 8. We drove to the Park and Fly. We drove to the Park and Fly at 7 a.m. But my Lola had to buy something in Mercury. So yeah. Free pure fiber Wi-Fi. I'm not gonna post this yet. I'm gonna post this probably in Palawan instead. Or I could post it in the plane. So yeah. San si Lola Lola? San si Lola guys? Okay. Okay. I literally love my cargo jeans. By the way, if you're just watching this part 2, you have to go ahead and watch part 1. I might do a part 3 though, because the flight will take long and I don't want you to wait that long. So yeah. I'm so famous. Thank you. But guys, I'm so famous. Thank you for subscribing. I literally am so famous right now. Even if it's not 1,000 or something, please get it to 1,000, please, since I mentioned it. I want to be really famous, even if I'm just little. Oh my gosh. I really want this to have comments. Oh my gosh. Part 1 won't, I think. think there. I don't know. I have no idea why you're not allowed.
Are we going to eat there?
Uy, wala naman seat. Rig. Okay. So my dad said this is the table we're gonna eat, but there's literally no chairs.
Stay here. I'm just gonna follow Lola Meg.
Okay.
Sabi niya, meron pa kayong health condition? Sabi ko sana si Mama kayo. Dahil sabihin ko. Sige.
Stand.
Ayoko.
Hindi.
Ayoko mag-stand up. I don't want to stand.
Mainit eh. Ikaw na lang dyan, Mia.
Alis ka dyan, anak.
Peter doon.
Sino ka?
Your attention please. Set group flight DG6881 bound to Surigao. Your flight is technically cancelled for today due to weather conditions at your destination. May we request all Surigao bound passengers on set group flight DG6881 to please proceed to check-in counter 1 to 4 for your tickets and your booking. Thank you.
Ano?
Nagsarigaw, anak.
What flight are we in? Okay, so yeah.
Yeah?
Yep. Gonna make. Do you want to watch that or something? Yeah. I am so tired. There. So yeah. La 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 la. Oh, I yawn.
Okay? Your tita, hot, it's still hot.
Mom, when are we gonna board the flight?
9:50 anak. At 9:50 you're boarding. 1 hour more.
Okay. 1 hour more until I can board our flight. Yay. But that's 1 hour. Yeah. But that's okay. Yeah. I like singing my like swing, 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 swing-a-ling. Why don't I say that? Swing, swing.
You want to eat na? I'm gonna feed you.
No. Only if it's warm.
Still happy. It's your friend.
Mommy, I will tell you when it's 10 minutes since I have a... So 19.
Are you cold? No.
No.
I think you're feeling better, but we should pray. Have tita.
Okay.
15 subo ah.
Okay.
Inom ka ng isoy ha.
Okay. I think I might make a part 4 in this vid. In all these parts. So yeah.
But you're not feeling anything unusual.
I'm gonna make a part 3 later. And I might make a part 4 or a part 5. Okay, so I'm gonna make a part 3 because it's still 1 hour till we board the flight, so it take long. So see you in part 3. Hi, it's part 3 of the play.
Tapos si Annie, di na lang jowa niya.
So I'm gonna eat. Here's my catering. Wait, so fast. That I like.
Sama-sama yung loob ng Italia.
So yeah. If you're in the Philippines and you haven't tried sopas yet, please try it. I like it. So you should like it. But it's hot. Daddy, it's hot.
It's not.
It's hot.
It's not.
It's hot. Okay. This is my Gatorade.
It's not.
Cheers!
Mamaya na yan.
Yum, yum, yum. Huh. Okay, sorry guys. It was so hot.
I think it's hot because you threw your headphone.
Hot kaya? Hot kaya? Wanna put my feet like this. I'm so excited. Boom. Boom. Boom, boom. Daddy, remove the soap.
Yung soap.
The soap.
So fast.
The soap.
You know why this is good to eat?
Why?
Because it's so fast.
Oh my God.
Hindi ka sweets hindi, Daddy.
Hindi pa. I don't know what to eat sweets. Oy, hindi. Hindi na.
Daddy, I need to get something from my bag.
Huwag na. Huwag ka masyado malikot.
I need.
Hindi ka makapasigil.
Oh, yun na nga. Ayoko na sa'yo. Okay. Sorry. La 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 la. Wait.
Wala pa.
I'm literally getting fed by my daddy
Tita,
because
huwag daw tayo
I'm
maikot
video by
kasi
him.
mga negative stress. Wait, tata, huwag daw makikinig ko siya kasi mga negative stress. Kaya chinachat na lang niya.
La la la
Siya yung negative
la la
stress.
la la. Charla! Charla! Look at sad, upside down Charizard.
Eh, may tsaka si Chris, di ba na-late ka?
Charizard!
Oo nga eh. Sabi ko nga doon sa manager kanina. First time mo namin dito, sulit pala. Sulit, 1,000 lang. 1,000. Parang ka na lang ng grab.
Tapos meron pa rin siyang buong.
Oo.
Paano yung pagdating natin? Paano na malaman?
Tatawag tayo.
Kaya ko. Amis ka lang yung pula.
Tapos susundayin na nila tayo.
Okay. Make a little bit of a Gatorade. So hot. Wait, Georgie, wait. Oh, like that. Ah. Say hi. Say hi first. Yum, yum.
Naubos mo, ma'am.
Sabi ko siya.
Butso mo yan. Kasi Mia kumain. Mia, hindi naubos ng mami mo yung pagkain.
Nakikita ko ba dyan kung anong boarding?
Wala pa. Ako pati ano mo, labo-labo ng mata ko.
Kay Ali, jowa niya naman paalis daw. Ang bilis daw, foreign passport eh. Naalis na agad ang immigration. Siya raw, ang tagal.
Taang-taro yung jowa niya eh. Bakit daw ang tagal niya?
Bakit ang tagal-tagal mo? Pilipino ka.
Drink. I'm gonna drink my Gatorade a little. Gulp, gulp.
Pogi naman eh, no?
Pugi naman.
Ang time din ah.
Oo.
Yum. Gulp, gulp.
Bira mo, 1.8 lang yung renta nila sa bangka. Naghahanap pa raw si Ani ng kasabay. Gulit na gulit na raw yung jowa. Ano na ba?
Kuminti pa sila ng 30 minutes, 1 hour. Parang may kasama. Ilocano ba si? Ay, matipid po talaga. Ano matipid talaga? Dinig ko si ano? Ano ba pangalan ng nanay ni Lily?
Si Tutay.
Wait lang.
Puro ka wait lang. Para kang bird. Wait. Wait lang.
Hoy! Hindi naman. Mami, si Daddy.
Sino yung ano? Who is the 3 OA in your life?
Hindi ko alam.
Ako, kilala ko. I will tell. Mami, Lola Gaya, Aria. Mga OA.
Hi, this is part 3. A remake of part 3 of the other part 3. A remake. I'm done eating. Don't take my burger show. So, okay, I'm just gonna take my temperature.
I should put that in your way.
No, that's only for the animals.
May hindi ka niyan.
Saan na?
Wait nito.
Saan na?
Hindi pa nga. Mamaya pag
Next group to more than 7.36043 bound for Busuanga. Our guests assigned on their boarding group number 2. For those offline check-in guests, you may now board the flight. Once again, please have your own boarding pass together with your ID or passport, ready for scanning and presentation at the boarding gate. And all other guests, kindly remain seated and wait for the next group boarding announcement. Once again, we are now accepting passengers assigned under boarding group number 1 and boarding group number 2.
masyado malikot.
Okay na. Uy. Hala.
Ito, 7.7 lang.
377. Ayoko na.
Our guest assigned under boarding group number 3. You may now board the flight. Once again, please have your own boarding pass and ID ready for scanning and presentation at the boarding gate.
That's 7.9 naman. 9.
Airfield Flight D6126 bound to Elido is now boarding through gate number 5. Requesting all eligible passengers on
Good thing it's not
Airfield Flight
58 kasi I'm gonna die.
Yeah.
to please board aircraft now through gate number 5.
Yay! I wanna die.
For waiting, Airfield Flight D6126 bound for Elido, Palawan is now requested passengers to boarding through gate number 5. At this moment, we are only accepting passengers needing special assistance, elderly passengers, and
Hurry up!
those traveling in
Mom!
with children.
Hurry!
Passengers, kindly wait for your numbers to
Are we
be
gonna
called.
board, not a plane?
Yeah.
Hello, yay! I'm gonna board the plane. I'm gonna board the plane, everyone. Oh my god. I'm gonna make a part for probably or a part 5. So yeah.
Our own boarding pass. Together with your exterior passport, ready for the presentation.
Daddy, we're boarding. We're gonna board. I'm so happy.
If you are wrong, please board your check now to boarding gate number 3 on the board, please. Good morning and thank you for waiting. Airship flight is 6126 bound for Albino, Palawan. Now unexpected passengers seated from rows 1 to 9.
As of now,
Once again, we are now inviting passengers seated from rows 1 to 9 to kindly board the aircraft now through gate number 5. To all departing passengers, please present your valid ID and boarding pass for verification check of our gate staff. All aboard, please.
Okay, we're row 18, so let's just wait. Oh, the Minecraft backpack. I'm so excited for board.
Final call for boarding for the last departing passengers on Central Flight BG 6043 bound to Busuanga. This is your final call to board the aircraft now to gate number 3.
Mamaya wala na yung matulog sa plane, ha?
Ha? Alam?
Okay, let's wait. Mommy, I am so happy. I'm so excited.
Good morning and thank you for waiting. First flight is 6126 bound for El Nido, Palawan is now ready to accept passengers seated from rows 10 to 19. Once again, we are now inviting passengers seated from rows 10 to 19 to kindly board the aircraft now through gate number 5. To all passengers, please present your valid ID and boarding pass for verification check of our gate staff.
I ate caramel. Mom. Oh my gosh. So happy. Okay. I love my Charizard. I like this one. Thank you. Yay! I like the strawberry one. Ah.
Kaya picture lang kita.
No.
Dali, picture tayo.
And then that's the same.
Ano yan?
Come on.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Oh my. Ayoko. Ayoko na. Oh my God, that's our plane. That is our plane right now.
Huh?
That is our plane.
Yeah.
Oh my God. I got you
Take a
shoving.
picture. Picture.
Ayoko na.
Maano sa araw?
Ayoko, Mom. Let me eat this.
I-picture mo yung candy.
No. Hello. God.
Go eat it.
Good morning.
Saan ba ba? Doon ka na.
Oh my God. Okay. Help me. Oh my gosh, wait guys. Help. Lola. Seatbelt how? Ano to seatbelt? It's your door.
Kasama sa seatbelt?
Hindi.
Pwede mo siyang sama.
Can I eat this now?
Pwede mo siyang sama.
Open. Okay, I'm gonna eat my Mentos. My strawberry Mentos.
Wait lang.
Minus ilan nito? Minus 6 pesos. Okay.
Okay lang.
Good evening as well, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for choosing to fly with Egypt Airlines. This is flight 6126 bound for El Nido. As an added safety measure, we are requesting everyone to please place your bags under the seat in front of you and the storage bins above you. For our guests seated by the exit rows, we need your full cooperation by reading the exit card explaining your seating requirements. If unable to carry out the instructions in emergency evacuation or wishes to be reseated, please call our attention immediately. Thank you.
I will do card later. So bye. Bye. Guys, we are getting this part 4. I will invite my turn. Okay. I'll turn. I'm already sleeping, I guess.
Cabin crew, take a station.
Once again, for your safety, please remain seated and wait for the seatbelt sign to turn off.
Cabin crew, you open the door. Everyone, please remain seated.
Just taking my temperature. Yay! 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 Yay!
Thank you for meeting me. Don't get your bags from the overhead bin. Please mind your head. You may start to disembark. Once again, thank you for flying with us.
Okay guys, wait. Hold muna.
Ba't hindi mo tinanggal? Ay, ganito. Alam ko tinanggal.
I can't move.
Pwede po kayo gumamit ng restroom, sir. Antayin lang po natin yung luggage po.
Or am I just food? What do you think? Do you feel headache? You have to drink water kasi you drink too much. I don't know if you have to.
Okay.
Tingin ka? When our flight back home, you have to have your earpods. More.
Guys, wait. I'm gonna go do a bathroom break. Bathroom break. Mama.
Ay, Lord. Ako na. Ako na.
Ah, Daddy, ko.
Wala to?
Dad. Okay. I got this. I got that. I got this.
Lagyan mo pa yung wet wipes mo. Yung mukha mo.
I gave it to Daddy. Yeah, no, babe. Look at this lady.
So cold.
Asan yung scar?
Yung?
Yung scar! Yung scar!
Okay, Daddy. Start now, start.
Scarf! Scarf!
Bakit cold ka?
Yeah.
It's so cold here.
Diyan ako kasi anak.
Ah!
Teka.
Ah!
Oh, dali.
It's so cold. Okay. Just gonna hide under here. I'm hiding under the blanket.
Once again, good morning. Ito pa si Gabriel yung driver natin. Galing po dito, short ride lang. Merienda po muna kayo bago tayo sumakay ng boat. 3 minutes ride lang po.
Okay.
Yan, hindi na.
Oh.
Hindi ka na cold.
Le. Okay, sorry.
Yan na. Wala na.
Gulat ako, Joman kayo.
I'm back. A little.
Yan na. Tower. Island desert. Asan yung ano niya? Nasa iyo yung inuminan niya, kuya.
Ha?
Yung kanyang aqua flash. yung beach po dito, open for public.
Natutuloy siya.
Ba yun? Nakakatakot lang.
Sige.
Dad,
Baba mo siya.
Daddy,
Oh.
can you try to cut some of the videos? Tapos try to edit them together.
I'll try.
Okay. If hindi pwede, I'm gonna save it to put it on my what do you call that? On my iPad. Tapos you will try to use CapCut.
Oh yeah, I can use CapCut. So from here yung boat ride.
25 to 30 minutes pa.
Tayo rin yung magkakasama sa boat ride.
Apo na.
Tayong lahat.
Basta?
No? Sige.
Oh no, I'm 5%.
Ano mo doon natin?
Lagay. Oh my gosh, you're gonna do it. Wow, boat ride. Wow, boat ride. Wow. Why am I being so... Boat ride?
Yeah.
Wow.
What can I say? Anong nararamdaman mo?
Nothing.
Huh?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing.
Hindi pipili ka. Mamaya, hindi ka pwedeng maligo muna. Doon ka lang muna sa sana. Sa tapat ng dila.
Apple daw. What?
Pwede ko naman yung dun ko. Para kanina.
Ano yung ice tea ko?
Ba't apple?
Ano yung ice tea ko?
Yun.
Ito? This one? Next to the water?
You want apple?
No. Yes, please.
Teka na, ice cream mo.
I want
Saan ko
apple.
binigay yung bag?
Hindi mo na sa amin. Kahit may tubig.
You're in an island.
Kaya pala 50 minutes pa pala. 50 minutes pa.
Buhat ang akin.
Yay.
Maybe we can enjoy life. Maybe we can enjoy life.
Daddy, Daddy, you will be so... You are...
Hindi ko kaya.
Yeah, pero I hear cracking sounds and that's...
Baka saka ano tingin ko, ano yan dati? Saka tingin ko display lang.
Strong.
Yes. For no reason, I saw something that was in here, like crawling.
Kainin mo na yung loob.
Yung puto, mama siya.
There's like a...
Hand?
Apple. How? I can't.
You have to remove them. Haga. Hagat a thing.
Balak mo muna ako ng...
Ano?
Puto.
Ito ba? Oh.
Yung sarili lang lang. No? May sarili silang pork? Ha?
Yep. Nag-lifting na.
Sounds like an insect.
Buns.
Yeah. Hala! Like...
Sa inyo.
Hindi, ayaw ko.
What do you feel?
Nice.
Nilagyan mo ba ng anong Pilipino?
Hindi butter kasi sa umiwan na niya doon sa dagat. Pinapagod. Ayun siya. Abandon.
Okay, good.
Dali kainin mo tayo ako dito.
Ano?
Ito.
Yeah.
I like apple.
Paa mo na.
Very good.
Di ba apple has something to like for the eyes?
Yeah. A little bit.
Yeah.
Okay na.
Bakit pa siya yan? You want more pa?
Apple.
You want more apple pa?
No. I don't know. ASMR. Ako na.
Meron pa?
Oo na.
Busin mo yan. Ito pa. Best na yan.
No. Ayaw na. Last na ha?
Lahat to last. Mami ayaw kumain Di ba sabi, an apple a day keep the doctors away.
Yun o, alas naman niya yung hawak niya yun.
Tapos wala naman akong doctor. Next, after Palawan, we're just going to get my glasses na nga.
Hindi, meron ka anak flu. Mag-injection ka.
Hindi.
Marunong ka pa sa nanay mo ha.
No!
Ano?
Meron pa siyang sipon.
Ang liit naman ng ano natin na baboy. Ang baba, no?
Wait lang.
Parang wala na yung ano mo, sakit mo. Sige. Hinihintay ko lang siya.
Ha?
Hinihintay ko lang.
Nandiyo kaya sa...
Last. Nice!
Nasa hindi ko tayo. Isa pa sabi mo.
Baka mo to. Kukuha kita ng bimpo rin. Ano ulit?
Ang hirang.
Ako na siya to.
Uy, alam mo, dalhin yan doon. Marami din sa akin.
Busin mo na yan.
No. Kahit ano dyan may asti. Cheers.
Ang ganda ng picture. Nasa red carpet.
May chuchu. Kiligin na. Ang leg niya. Mainit yung mga. Basahin mo yung ano mo, yung lips.
Drink a lot of water. Sige, go. Kasi namimito.
Ito, busin mo to ha. Oh, yours. Busin mo na yan. Hindi ka na. Hinihintay yan sila.
Ang ingay lang ng ano yung plane.
Yan.
Nabigi ako. Pero wala na!
Hindi ka na.
Hindi ka.
Iwan mo na yung babi.
Huwag mo bilasan ko lang.
Pero sure. Nandok mo sure. Yes ko na. Dapat pa.
Tama na. Iwan mo na yung babi.
Wala na.
Kabila.
Something na yun. Kaso mainit lang dito yun. Bago pala eh.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ano nangyari sa akin? Bye-bye. Lola! Sure.
Wala. Stay po. Di ba sabi nga, kain mo na kayo.
Bye po.
Di.
Bye po kayo.
Saan?
I like window. Ang ginaw.
Ang ginaw na naman. Asan yung scarf niya?
Asin yung scarf? Ay, tika lang.
Hindi ka man naiwan.
Hindi naiwan. Yung scarf po yun. Dito.
Karga. Karindong.
Yung ginaw.
Karindong.
Ginaw.
Karindong.
Sasakay tayo.
Yeah. I'm scared.
No. Don't be scared.
Big book. listening to video. Okay. Ah! Ah! I'm pulling. Ay. Oh my. Yay.
Dito tayo sasakay.
Ikaw muna mag-video.
Yay! Yay! But I'm so scared.
Cellphone mo anak ha, mamaya na.
Okay guys, be right back. I'm gonna go on the boat. Beep beep. I'm back. We're on the boat. Oh, the boat. Oh, the boat. Put on some wood with my broken top. I need to buy a top. I am 10%. Yes, charge. So yeah, I'm 86%. Yeah. Wait, like I'm saying yeah. I'm already in our resort. There's the beach. The pool is near here. So yeah, the bathroom is over like at the back with a table, and there's stuff that can fit me there. Okay. Mom!
What?
Mm.
Nalalamig ka ba?
Hindi. Gusto ko.
Okay, tell me
Hoy, Mommy! Okay, sorry guys.
Morning guys. We're in our room.
It just rained. And I just took a bath because I swam in the beach. So yeah. So thank you for watching all of the parts in our vlog. So thank you. Bye.